This is a 22 News Storm Team Weather Alert.
Here's a look at our Westfield live camera this morning, 9:40. We're seeing those clouds, not as much fog at the moment, a little bit of a breeze, as we can see from the flags over here. Not seeing much in terms of rain right now, but we are expecting some later in the day, and it could potentially bring some severe weather. Greenfield live camera, very similar. We can see a little more fog in Greenfield, but things on the street have since cleared up. 22 News Storm Team forecast focus for today: strong to severe storms are very possible as we go through the afternoon today. Not as much during the morning hours. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies, PM showers, and cool and wet temperatures and conditions going through into next week. 22 News Storm Team ESP live Doppler radar. Not showing much in terms of any rain at the moment, maybe some sprinkles at most. Clouds and radar showing us that we're already starting to see some of that strong to severe weather in the northeast. Some warnings and advisories going up with our neighbors in upstate New York and in Vermont, and we could see some similar weather going into the afternoon and evening hours today. Temperatures mainly in the mid-60s, up and down 91, 64 in Wilbraham and Southwick, 65 just about everywhere else. Berkshire County on the warmer side of things, 69 in Dalton, 72 in Monterey. Wind speeds are actually picking up a little bit. 10-mile-an-hour sustained winds in Pittsfield, 7-mile-an-hour sustained winds in Westfield and Springfield coming out of the south. These are expected to stay pretty consistent through the day, but if a thunderstorm rolls in certain areas, those wind speeds could go up drastically. And here's a look at that severe thunderstorm threat. This is from the Storm Prediction Center, subsidiary of the National Weather Service. Level 2 severe threat in mainly the whole western side of the state. Level 1 going to the eastern side of the state. This is on a 5-level scale, so definitely a real possibility that we could see some stronger weather in western Massachusetts. And our 22 News Storm Team County Cast showing with that severe weather, we're also looking at some warmer temperatures. 80 in Westfield, 81 in Springfield. Definitely possible to see some thunderstorms in Hampshire County with a high of 80 in Northampton, 79 in Amherst and Belchertown. Franklin County, slightly cooler, 77 in Charlemont, 78 in South Deerfield and in Orange. And Berkshire County, mainly in the high 70s everywhere except North Adams. And Berkshire County is already, saw some thunderstorms as we went through the day on yesterday. 22 News Storm Team Skycast as we go through the morning hours, 11 a.m. Barely seeing anything, really sprinkles and spot showers at most. It's really once we get into the afternoon. 2 p.m. we start to see that potential for that stronger weather and stronger thunderstorms. And we go into 6 p.m. That really gives us a little bit of a break, some clouds hanging around, but then another line of showers, a lot more widespread, moving through right around 8 p.m. And that about ends the severe weather risk going into 12 a.m. Sunday and the early morning around 6 a.m. Now we do get some clouds moving through the day and some lighter showers. We do see that chance come back around right around 2 p.m. Sunday afternoon, moving through the Berkshires and into the Pioneer Valley. But luckily, things are going to be pretty calm on the back end of the day just after 6 p.m. Your forecast for today, 78 to 82 is our range of highs. Scattered thunderstorms and patchy fog. As we head into the overnight, mostly cloudy skies, scattered showers, 54 to 60 is our range of lows. And our 22 News Storm Team 7-day forecast showing scattered thunderstorm potential for today with a high of 80. That goes down to 70 on Sunday with mainly a chance of some lighter showers. Monday and Tuesday of next week, looking a little cooler with a lot of sunshine. Also could see some breezy winds anywhere between 24 and 30-mile-an-hour gusts. Wednesday through Friday, the whole back half of the week is looking wet, seeing consistent showers through most of those days. 61 is the high on Wednesday. 58 is the high on Thursday. That's 16 degrees below the average for this time of year. Overnight lows this week mainly in the mid-40s. And if you want to stay up to date with all of our latest forecasts, you can always do that with the free 22 News mobile app.